not pacing, you know?
Well, if he's younger than
Yeah.
the others, I guess he's bored.
Hi. Look, I'm running with him. Oh my gosh.
Is it just his class?
I don't think he's ever sat down.
He's just like, hey, what's up? Say hi. Dude, stop it. Guys, knock it out. Just walk with him. He'll like, he's like, let's play.
Sam, stop that.
Sam wants to act like he's petting him, but he's not.
No, he's freaking. He's hitting your glass.
He's following me. It's interesting. Look. Look, Mom. He's walking with me.
Go by the
Making me all excited. I want him to walk with me.
Stop it.
Walking with Wolves. I think it's a book, isn't it? There's a book called Walking with Wolves.
Why is he gonna rub his fur?
I don't know, but maybe it feels good. You're so silly.
Oh, this does feel good. Oh, this feels good. Rub my fur.
Look, he's getting up. Hi. Want your stuff. Sam, stop acting weird. I want to get a good smile. Oh my god. Dude, I got this on camera. I'm keeping this.
It looks like you might lose later as it pulls. He wants to attract it to your shirt too.
Well, and I keep running and someone to play with.